Let me show you how to create this text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Start by writing your text. This is the font that I am using. Select the text and then go to Type. Choose Create Outlines. Go to Object, choose Ungroup. Select the text. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Let's do another copy and put it on the side for now. Now let's color each word. Follow these steps. Now select the second text and let's color it with the same background color. Let's group these letters together by going to Object and choosing Group. Follow these steps. Select both texts. Go to Object, Blend, choose Blend Options. Choose Specified Steps and set it to 100. Again to Object, Blend, choose Make. Select this text. Press Ctrl-G to group it. Drag it to overlap with the other texts like this. You can double-click here and adjust the position of the second text as you like. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any question.